Okay, so this series of videos is going to show you how to make the Tic Tac Toe game. I've started by creating a new project called Tic Tac Toe, and we're going to make this game in our Tic Tac Toe class that is created. So the first thing we need to create is a board. The board is going to be a 2D string, so it's a 2D string array. And at the moment, we're just going to leave it like that. So string, we declared the fact that it's a 2D array and that we declared that it's a board. What we're going to have to create is the constructor so that when we create our tic-tac-toe, it creates our board. So we're going to say public tic-tac-toe. And what we're going to do is we're going to create, we're going to make board equal new string array of size 3. So we now need to set all the elements. One way we could do it is we could go through and set them like that. If you feel like a bit of a challenge, what I challenge you to do is try and make it so that you set them using a loop. So I'm going to go through and set all of these manually. So make sure I cover every element. Okay, so there's all the elements set, and they're all set to dashes. This is only going to be really useful if I can print my board though. So I'm going to create a method, public void, and I'm going to call it display board. And what it's going to do is it's going to loop through the board. So this is just like what we've been doing before. So for int row equals 0, while row is less than board dot length row plus plus, and for int col equals 0, well, col is less than board row dot length col plus plus. And I'm just going to do system dot out dot print system out dot print, and I'm just going to print the board position at whatever element we're on. Okay, well that'll work, but at the moment that'll print them all in a straight line. So if I want it to appear like a nice board, what I should really do is do system dot out dot print and print a blank line. That way it'll print the 3 that need to be in a row, it'll print them in a row, and then it'll print the rest on a new line. To check to see if that's working, we can create a new tic-tac-toe game. So tic-tac-toe, I'm going to call it game equals new tic-tac-toe. And then using the identifier I gave it, game, I'm going to say game.displayBoard. So let's see if that worked. Great. So there's my board printed nicely. So there's the first part, creating the board and getting it to print.